I am Dr. Veena Jain from Sri Maharani Veena Devi Natural Therapy. We must offer Prasad what we like to God. Today is Thursday. I made lovely blueberry juice, and these blueberries are very good for your health. Dr. Veena Jain from Sri Maharani Veena Devi Natural Therapy. Reduce your weight, reduce your cholesterol, reduce your high BP, and weak your diabetes. Also online treatment on Veena29 @yahoo.com. Outside India, the fees is $4 per session. In India, 1100 rupees per session. Life is joy. Enjoy life. Do yoga meditation. Dr. Veena Jain,